close to the knob base and Aju. Fixer-upper. Lots of potential. Front porch opens to great room opens to large kitchen/dining. PBR has private bath and large closet for age of home. Walk-up attic has been converted to 3 small rooms that is not heated/air and only window/wall up, central heat/air down, replaced like 2/3 years ago with a transferable warranty. Up floor space not counted in square feet. Roof replaced a 4/5 of a years ago. Chain link fence in front and backyard, 0.1327 lot. Near universities, hospital, base, highways and dining. Houses as his seller to do no repairs. Cash or rehab loan only. Please see agent's notes for showing.